Threads empowers users with personalized feeds. Threads, a social media platform, launched a customizable dashboard interface last week. Instagram head Adam Mosseri confirmed that the app is now released with the capability for you to signal which sort of post you want to see. Taking to Threads, Mosseri stated, "You would swipe right on a post to like it or swipe left to show you're not interested. We'll use those signals to show you more posts like the one you swipe right on and fewer of those you swipe left on." The idea to use swipe gestures to signify interest is a user interface interaction that reminds dating apps like Tinder. However, the capability to train an algorithm about what sort of things people like could help Threads more immediately get up to speed on personalizing users' For You feeds. There are various methods of how content should be seen. X used a cultural social media algorithm that signifies likes and engagement patterns along with other metrics to settle what kind of content people would prefer to watch. Meta's newest app to date counts more than 150 million monthly active users. Moreover, Threads has improved its features to make itself an enhanced platform for the user. Threads initially started checking the site swiping gesture to signal interest earlier, where swiping one way would unveil a heart icon and the other would show an icon of an eye with a line crossed over it, an icon typically utilized for hide or hidden.